Yeah, despite the lockdown in some states of the Federation and the FCT, the Department of Petroleum Resources has reiterated its commitment to managing the distribution of petroleum products at approved pump price across the country. The DPR team made this assertion at the presentation of personal protective equipment to the Lagos State government in support of the fight against COVID-19. We have details in this report.
It's more than 4 weeks into the lockdown in Lagos and Ogun State as well as the Federal Capital Territory. And gradually, Nigerians are gearing up for the easing up phase of the lockdown. Private and corporate bodies have been showing support to the state and federal government, all with the aim of reducing the spread of the novel coronavirus. The Department of Petroleum Resources has joined the list of government agencies lending a helping hand to the Lagos State government in this fight.
We, as part of our corporate social responsibility, we've always believed we owe it a duty to the nation, to the citizenry, to support this laudable effort that the Lagos State government has embarked to fight the, of course, as you know, the Lagos State is one of the epicenters, if not the epicenter of this scourge in the country. So in partnership with, with the kind support of Dr. Mike Adenuga, we have decided to provide personal protective equipment, especially for the front line, the health workers, the various categories of health workers, the doctors, the nurses, all of them, who have actually been at the front line at the risk of their lives providing care for us. They are truly our heroes, and this is an opportunity to salute them for the good job they are doing.
I think this is a very laudable project, because if a soldier knows that when he is going to war, he has all the arsenal within him, that confidence will be there. So I think this very donation coming from Mike Adenuga Jr. will go a long way to build up the capacity, to build up the confidence of those who are fighting this war.
Ayorinde Cardoso is the Zonal Operations Controller for the DPR in Lagos. He says the lockdown has in no way affected the department's role in making sure that the integrity of the downstream sector is not compromised.
In terms of approved pump price, it's basically what is approved that we focus on. So right now the range is between 123 and 125. It depends on what they have in stock. So for whatever is there an approved pump price, that is what we ensure compliance. We have been monitoring and people are complying. People that are not complying, they know what we do. As we are talking right now, people are lifting from the depots, people are lifting crew from the terminals. People have to be at the terminal physically until we get to a situation that we can use technology for that. But the one that technology can allow us to do, we are doing it. We are doing our bit.
The Lagos State government's team, led by the Deputy Chief of Staff, Boyega Shonyowo, received the personal protective equipment on behalf of the State Governor, Babajide Sanwo-Olu.